Welcome back. Hello, hello. Oh, no help me. No help. There's no way out in this trap. Welcome. Yeah, today I will keep working on the trap to make it work and will be synchronized with the day cycle. And every night at a full day, new day signal, or better, yeah, this one. Every time when this is emitted, the trap has the 50-50 chance to trap an animal when it has the right conditions. How are you doing? I'm doing very well. Thanks for asking. How are you doing? Okay, but first of all, I need to test if this is working. Because I just changed the way the day is not running in Delta anymore. It's running with a timer, which will be synchronized all over time around connect and base nil. Oh, actually, this here we need to just await. Very well, too. That's very great. Very great. That's very nice. Get tree, create timer, 1 second for timeout. Just for test purpose, of course. Error, okay. Float and int and operator percent. Okay, actually it should be in. This has to be int. Now we can keep working. Because I'm curious, did your editor is from Germany or from Thailand? What do you think? Oh, wait. Timer on the base object of type static body near shop. Wait. Why get parent from daylight is near shop? Try again. I think it's from Germany. Nope. Alright, start. Archie's office. Okay. I'll go through all the scenes. Whenever I have a directional light on it, I'll delete it. Then we have a Lava's restaurant, directional light, delete. Then we have Thailand or from other part? No, from Thailand. Archie's office, Neo's shop, Elara's restaurant. Then we have Serafina's seed shop. And then we have Dura's stable. Okay, here it is not. Let's check. Let's check if it's working. Can you pass me a long video? Need to start how to learn how to edit. I need a long video. I mean, I have just my YouTube videos. I don't have raw files, so every raw file I have, I already uploaded to YouTube. Okay, what are these errors here? Actually, it's just the streams I have in YouTube also. No, I don't have it. I have just the live streams which are online on YouTube. No, for that, I mean, for that, I forget a high resolution video. I also need a third. I should take the video whenever I start streaming with the same with a new scene. Forgot about that. And I didn't. Method 1, but got one argument. There's a night, daylight, but where we call it? Oh. Wait, how I'll do it? Okay, we could do dot pass, so we say bind. We say global data dot tick. Or we make it a bit different. We just call it this way, and here we just delete this part. And here we just do this one. And here I want to print once current count. And then I want to print once full day length. Alright, and then I want to... I didn't. Hold on a second, I'll be back later. Alright, Danny. Hello back there, welcome. How are you doing? And I want to delete the other print, what we have, so we just say this one and find... No, not in files. Replace in files. Find. Wait. Nope, not our add-ons. I'm doing fine. What about you? I'm also doing fine. Thanks for asking. Okay, this testing we want to not call anymore. We'll just say pass for now. We'll see if the day cycle is still working because I changed it a bit. Okay, start and let's see. At least we don't got any error anymore, but we don't got also output. We don't got any output. It's like that never start. Ah. Actually, we started. This one I want to print. I want to know if we just get into the if statement. And then for the trap, I was thinking to use a plugin which can create state machines. And I think it's very useful. If I think right. Because we have several conditions which has to match. Okay, so it's never 1.0, it's 0? Because we never print full day lengths and we don't reset it to 0. So it's an int. But it's never reset it to be 0, 0. Current count is never 1? But it is clearly here. Doesn't make sense. What can I do here? Did I have to say like this? Like, make it to an int, but I think this will also round up the number. Apple bottle jeans. What does it mean? Okay, this way it's working. Now I can't unhear it. Apple bottle jeans. Did they sing it? No. No, I think they say something else, not bottle. Okay, it's working properly now, which is great. But is that clean? Can I not write it in a different way? Jessica, did you sleep with your teacher music? Who is Jessica? Does that work? Because if this works, that would be weird. No, that's not working. But this is working. But is that fine? Is that the way to go? Yeah. Well, okay. I have to live with that, I guess. But at least we have a new day signal whenever it hits 1440. With the sunset night and day and night still working. And we can start the day whenever we want, which is great and important for the sleep. When the player is going to sleep. So we go to the trap. But wait, somehow we need to connect this one. But this was not clean. So we go to environment. And I would like to have a connect signals function. Just no. Connect signals. We'll copy this, paste it here. Copy this part. Say here function leads to void. Paste this part. And we'll also copy this part and paste it here. So we have all. So the timer here. Timer.connect timeout with day cycle, but day cycle is not existing here. The day cycle is in environment scene, and there we have daylight. And here we say access as unique, and then we can say %daylight dot change weather. Oops, wrong. %daylight dot day cycle, and then it will work properly, and we don't have to get and work around with connect just after an await statement. All right. Get node and base nil. Harvest mushrooms. And there's something else. The day is still working, and this one is working. So next step would be, so the question is, does a state, finite state machine make sense for this one? Because there are always two conditions need to be fulfilled for each. Because I was thinking about what you should play. I think this is what you should play for the stream. What do you mean? Okay, here we need to pass. This one should be connected. Here we need to do it different, and here it has to be they changed. Could play other games. Yes, it would also make sense. But my problem is that whenever I start to play a game and I don't finish it, I have more content variety. That's true. It's also necessary, but right now I just have 2 games what I play actively. Hello Kelso, I have a favor. Is there a problem in your AI? Anything involved in mouse? If you want to build fences, then you should not build if they're... Wait, I have a favor. Is there a problem in your UI? Anything involved in mouse? If you want to build fences, then you should not build if they're UI and when clicking. I mean, there's not a bug or something, but you are not able to place, for example, fences. It is a trap. Dani, if you send any link, I don't see it. Just that you know, there's just your messages, but without a link. When I place this one, for example, and I have the inventory open, I can't place it behind. As you can see here, it stopped moving. It will stay there. And I can't click on the inventory, so when I want to place it, the inventory has to be closed. So for placing something, the inventory or the UI shouldn't be in the way of between the mouse and the world. All right. Debugger errors, non-existing signal day. Yes, of course, because I wasn't finished writing, we need the signal, new day signal, which we need to connect there. And I think the best way is to keep the signal in global data. And then we say environment rather than where's the timer? Daylight. And we say new day signal emit, but we say global data dot new day signal emit. I see you can't build if there are UI. Thanks, that's all. Yes, if you need to know why that is, that I can tell you too, because this is intended by Godot. So we emit this signal, and it's easier to connect to a signal when it's a global data and preloaded. That's why I start to put every new signal I create, I'll try to put it in global data now. Actually, it also makes sense to just have a whole script to store all your signals, which you need to pass. Narrow one. Since when HIO is playing advertisement? But Daniel, it's a good idea. Maybe it could do something like that, playing indie games from each. Can you send me the image of the viewers? Can you send me the image of the views per live of YouTube? Or you can't? I want it because there are 3 streams that have more views with difference. I think you can sort them by self on YouTube. Like when you go to the channel and then you filter live, and on live you just say popular. Then you see there are 3 live streams which are by far more popular than the others. And there's no further information I have in the backend. It's exactly the same information I have in the backend like you see in the front end. Like there won't be more information. It's not more exactly. The number is still 1.4K or something. It's also rounded. Environment daylight, and here we emit this signal and we need to connect it to trap. So catch animal should be connected to new day signal. This one, save. You did something strange or different in this stream. I have to rewatch them actually. I have no clue. That are 100% game dev streams, so I have no clue what is different in this one. And they still have very weird names. I call them Daily Pixel Art and Programming Growth. I think because it could be because they ever got like a comment. No, the one of them doesn't got a comment. And also YouTube is not tagging it in a different way, like that put it in a like put keywords on it or something. It's just a normal stream. I do not know why they got that high views. I have to rewatch them to know exactly, but it looks like one of that looks like that I just creating UI in Godot, but I didn't specify it within the title or the description. As in this time, I never change any title and description, and also the thumbnail I always use the same every day. Because in YouTube this time for normal I didn't got that much views. Because already 6 months ago. But maybe they got that much views because they are older. But no, that's not true too. There are older streams which had like 190 views. I can't tell, because you should do a load screen for the live. Yes, I also need like a start screen, starting soon or something. I know. Yes, I know exactly what you mean. I think this is something what I create. Maybe I create it today. Maybe tomorrow. It's like a cool animation before the stream starts, like stream starting soon, or like a pause screen. Not just like that I'm holding um, this one, that I just have some real pause screen. That would be great. So catch animal. Print. Now I have to think, does it make sense to have a state machine here? Because the stream is starting too fast? Yes, that's a good point. I ever got someone told me that also. You have a huge problem. Did you build any anime? Ah, no, this game doesn't have animes. Other people wants to say hi. Especially I waiting sometimes like 1 or 2 minutes before I start streaming. Today I think I don't. But most of the time when it doesn't matter if I wait or not, the most people just come after like 10 minutes maybe. The first growth, I think I will start to do stream and YouTube thing in 1 year. That sounds like a great plan. You will stream gaming or what you will stream? Or also game dev? But I have to change this. Alright, I just changed the title a bit because I think it is a trap is better than this is a trap. Changed, saved. I rather gaming, but also dev. Nice. So I'm thinking right now if it makes sense to have a state machine here. So I need you to donate me $100 now? No, I need you to donate me $100 now. It's for a good cause. Ah. I would like to try it with a state machine, but I'm not sure if it's too much. Do it for African children. Um, really, it's bad for your karma, Dani. Um, okay, as a library, I just find something which is a great state machine plugin. I found it when I was searching for state. And it was this one, Godot State Chart. root states, state 1, state 2. I think you should do a gaming stream every month, but like a 6-hour stream. Yeah, it's a good idea. Like every first Sunday of a month, I will make a full, completed gaming stream. So we will download this plugin. We'll download the add-on. But I don't want to download the... I don't want to download this one. I just want to download the add-on. Oh, but actually I would like to testing it. So we'll just go to the testing stream, to the testing scene. Where's test game? And we'll install it there, and then I have to check what a state machine can do. Actually, the only things I know what this can do is... Oh, you have Godot state chart, what it do? Most of that I will try to figure out now also, but some of that I actually know, and I think it's a very great plugin for work with state machines. And that why I can't find it. Godot state charts. Here we'll download the whole thing, because this is just a test game. We're testing everything. I think the 18-hour, or no, that in reality is a 9-hour. No. In reality, it was a 15-hour stream. I just told you the story why I have to end the stream after 6 hours. And I have to delete the first 6 hours also. It's a huge stuff to learn. Actually, I think not, but it's a very huge product. Very huge add-on for everyone who was working with state machines. Activate it, and when I understand it right, so we'll create a new scene. A 2D scene. And I think a dummy. We will add this dummy here. This dummy has a collision shape, but we want to change its type to... Oh wait, we can just add an area 2D with collision shape. Then I'll tell you what you can do with it, and it's very great. So we have this one, for example. So we have this dummy, and we'll duplicate this dummy, so we have it here. So we have, wait, just say we have one. So in this dummy, we will add a state machine. So we need... I think we need to add one of this first. No, I understand wrong. Just a second. I think they have a YouTube video. There was a other one it has to add first. I don't want to see advertisement on YouTube, please. Okay, it has this logo. So we'll delete this very quickly and we'll add a new one. And we have state chart. State chart. Ah, this one. Okay, and now it will asking us what we want here. So we can add a compound state, a parallel state, an atomic state, and a history state. Gross, this is a thrilling. I'm dying because the adrenaline. Well, what are you talking about? How's your day, Gross? Okay, so I recommend you that the question is... It's very fine when to ask it, but my day is very great. So what we want here is a parallel state. Actually, there was examples until each ant tries to find food and brings it back to the nest. Each ant leaves markers. That's nice. Actually, this is a very nice thing. With this state machine, you also can create very huge AIs for your NPCs. Enter automatic transition, but I would like to see a scene which is a bit less complex, so that it's easier to understand. This example shows automatic transition moves the frog with the arrow keys. If the frog loses all stamina, it automatically transitions to a state where it will be unable to move for 3 seconds. Okay, it's something like this. Can walk, animation control, normal. Parallel state, can walk, control, normal. Pulsating red after 3 seconds to can. Okay, actually this is very nice. The name of the... Okay, I think I barely understand that. Yeah, maybe soon. Okay, this is also very... I mean, one of these key features why I want to install this state machine asset is because you can leave like you have parallel states. That means you can have one state run together with another one. For example, you check at one state, you check for... In my case, when I have the trap, I need to check the food inside the inventory, and on the other hand, I need to check the surrounding environment, that you can trap the needed, that you have all needed things for one animal together, and that you can scale it up to more and more and more animals. It would be easy to have this parallel state, which will check for the food inside the first control, and at the second control it will check which environmental stuff is around. Growth is so fast, and reading, I don't think I can bet you with that. I think that I should upload the false. Wait. What is the default 16 stream? Cooldown, C#, node history state, order history state is something what I'm interested in. I already deleted completely. It's not existing anywhere anymore. I deleted it completely because I was worrying that I will have any ban or problems with YouTube. The rectangle will switch from red to blue every 3 seconds. When you click the rectangle, it will temporarily turn white and then return to whatever color it was previously by transitioning to the resume state. The timer will also be properly restored, so the previously active color will remain active for the rest of the 5 seconds. And what triangle they are talking? Okay, I don't understand it. Yeah, that is the title. I have state machine, but it's all in code. Also, don't use any asset lib. Yes, I was also thinking to write the own state machine, but the problem with this is when it got to a complex state where it's impossible to check all the transitions. I was worrying about the transition the most, because if you have, for example, like 3 states, and you want to have you want that the player is able to switch between all 3 states, so you have from 1 to 2, from 1 to 3, then you have from 2 to 1, and so on, from 2 to 3, and also the way back. So you will have a lot of transition which you have to write via code on your own. State machine is so helpful like game platformer, but farming RPG, I don't think you need that. It's actually up to the use case. For the player itself, I think I don't need it outside of animations. But for machines, for example, like for the trap right now, I'm not sure if I could usefully use it. For the states it could have, because there are several states a trap could have. What do you want to achieve to get state machine? What I want to achieve is that actually it's just an if-else check what I want to achieve at the end. Because there's a day cycle, and every 24-hour there is a signal which will send to this function. And in this function, I will check which state or which if-else is properly on. So if if bait container, for example, stores grain, and then I also need to check end surrounded area has, and then I have to check high grass zones. or like mountain. Then, for example, then 50% chance of catching a goat. And this I need for every type of animal, something like this. What I want to achieve with the state machine is to have this state, maybe this one not. I could also do it with if-else statements. So the title, it's 11 days ago. Yes. Maybe a bit longer. What do you want to achieve? I see you want to use a machine. Yes, that's a good reason. Sorry, I'm 10 seconds late. No worries. Actually, 10 seconds is good. For normal, the YouTube stream is behind way longer. Kind of this is something what I want to use it for, but I'm thinking right now if it's still accessible with doing it just with an if and else statement. $10. No, I think it's not that bad. $53.4 and it's $53.15. Actually, it's almost exactly 10 seconds. I'm downloaded streams at 9 hour long. Illegally. You are pirating YouTube videos. Is that a good use case for this? For editing. Platformer. I tried to testing this one. I'm a pirate, a hacker. No, just a pirate. Press left, right to move, space to jump. You can double jump. It has falling too. There are two types of state machines, the physics state machine and ready state machines. Okay, actually the player here, you can jump on the iron crates to destroy them. Try to warp up all 3 flagpoles to make the box explode. You can click the flagpoles, the box and the frog to see their states. Alright. Okay, this one has checkpoint 3 is expanding. Expanded, waiting to retract. Present, absent. Animation control, player presents, absent, okay. Activated, waiting to retract. After 5 seconds, it's just retracting. Alright. Can I help with the name of the channel? I die a little bit every time that I see the name of the channel. No, I don't. I think right now it's still fine. As long as I don't release this game, it's fine. Okay, what actually I wanted to see that for the box also. I just want to learn a bit about this one to so this one has the idle mode. And now it's idle, but expression properties it health equals 2. Okay, but expression properties are not that necessary, right? Rattling, expression counter equals 1. Ah, okay, here 1, 2, and 3. Die after 5 seconds. Alright. Not fine for my eyes. Because why you didn't release an alpha? Because I didn't think that the game is ready for being released as an alpha yet. A basic state machine. But in your case, in your opinion, Kelso, does it make sense for checking all this stuff? I mean, these two things, I have it everywhere. Does it make sense for you to create a state machine for this? Or is it enough to just do it with if, elif? Because the thing is, whenever the signal is yes, you should do state machine. Okay. So I try to set it up the way I understand. I watched the video twice of this guy who creates this asset. And I think I understand the basics of a state machine. So what I need to actually I would like to do it in the test game before I mess something up. Close this one, this one, this one. And what I need, I want this dummy acts as a trap, for example. And let's say this one has a script, which is dummy. There we have an exported variable, which is, for example, current food, which will act like our inventory, but here we just make it as a string, which is fine. So we just store some random name on it. And we'll have this world, which we'll save as testing state machines. Was testing state machine? Testing state machine. Project settings. General. Testing state machine, this one. All right. And in this dummy, I want this one and a parallel state. Well, we have two states. Chris, what are your goals for this year? Finish this game is one of my goals for this year. And some other goals, which I think is beside the streaming. Here, is that a transition? Yes, this is a transition and this one. So this one we will, wait. I just thought this works a bit differently. Is it here, this one? Should have at least one child state. Think this way, right? So this one is, for example, root container, root, and this one is environment root. And here we have, this one is, for example, Ray. And this one is, for example, A. This transition will be A grain. All right. Atomic state. This one is, for example, mountain, grass. And here, this one will have assigned to grass, assigned to mountain. So we have this transitions and we have this setup. Expression properties, new key. This properties can be used in expression, for example, for guards or transition delays. It is required to set an initial value for each property you can use in an expression to ensure that this expression is always valid. If you don't set an initial value, some expression may fail to be evaluated if they use a property that has not been set yet. All right. So now I want to... I'm not familiar with AcidLib state machine. If you're interested, I can share with you basic state machines. Right now I'm still fine with this one. I just want to know. First of all, I'm testing this one the way I understand it. So I will create a button which will say change state, or like change food, which will has a script here. This one, and we will just have a ready function where we say connect signals, and then we say function connect signals. And here we just say button dot pressed, connect pressed with change state, and the change food function, this one. Just tell me if you want. I'm sure I can help you with that. Okay, that's very good to know. Thank you very much for that offer. All right, change food. Then we do. Wait, how I'll do it? This one is dummy. We say percent dummy dot current food equals hey. Then we say this one, but we say grain, for example, and return. And otherwise we will say this one. And at the beginning we'll just say it's hay. Alright, right now it's hay. Okay, now we change between this. And whenever this is changed, we need to kind of connect this pressed button also with a state machine, right? So what's the next step? How I can emit a change signal to this one that we do a transition. Wait, initial state is grain and initial state is mountain. No, initial state should be hay. And here it should be grass. I have knowledge of state machine from my course I applied, but when we are not meant to be shared to anyone. And actually, I'm not sure how the people in the course can be sure that you. Why they say that you are not allowed to share knowledge you just have. I mean, I paid for study in university too. But how my teachers or my professors will ever know that I share my knowledge which I learned there for money? So as long as they got this is a bit weird of the people that they say that the people shouldn't share. It's a bit weird. It's a bit funny. So how do I connect this one now? This change, but I think it's inside this video. Send event. Oh, okay, that was it. So actually, we say person dummy dot state chart. The build up could be a bit better, but right now I want to build everything up in the testing state machine in the main script. Later on, I will just do it within the scripts, but right now I just set it up all in this one script. That's why it looks a bit weird with this get node and stuff. Yeah, it's weird, but it's true. No, YouTube can share too, that's why it's special. Yeah, but I mean, this is just knowledge which, like, doesn't has, like, inside knowledge. For example, like, the ingredients for Coca-Cola. This is something what you can't share. When you work there, you write a contract that you will not share it, otherwise you got punished with money. But knowledge about, like, a state machine, I think when you Google it in the right way, I mean, when you just Google it or find it somewhere else, you'll just easily find this knowledge too. You just not have like a teacher who will teach it you in a way which will actually make you understand it, but the knowledge is still, I think, accessible. So it's not like something that they own. when they share it to you, you own it the same way like they own it. Like their knowledge becomes your knowledge. So you are still allowed to teach other people with your knowledge. I think they can't limit it. Dummy. Knowledge should be for everyone, obviously with limits. Yeah, no, knowledge. Jeez. Wait, you was also German, right? Knowledge. Knowledge should be for everyone, obviously with limits, but knowledge should be for everyone. Yes. No, I'm not German. Okay. Alright, right back. I just pick up a bottle of water. So now it's a question if I have to send it to this one or to this one or to this one. But this transition should only listen to a grain? No, to... Wait, 2 grain? So it should listen to grain. To this one should listen to hay. Alright. And now I have to call this one event received. Event received. Did they have documentation? Oh, they have. Oh no, they don't. Alright, I just thought they have documentations. Send event they have, so I have to send it to the state chart. Okay, so to the state chart, that means we have to send it here. Dot send event grain. And here, hey. When we did it all right, we also need... Wait, we also have a debug. Transition state chart. Application status indicator in an area. Just a second, I have to check this one in the video. He had like a node which he can put on the scene to check everything. State chart debug. Oh, there was it. No, state. State chart state. Ah, it doesn't exist anymore. State chart debug. can click this one and you say state chart debug. Ah, right here. But we'll add it here. Scene. Nope. This one. State chart debugger. This one, we'll just make it big and put it here. Let's see. Okay. Invalid access to property or key current root on a base object of type null instance. All right. Oh, well, not percent, but we have to say dollar. All right, start again. Oh, wait, I also need to... First of all, this one, and we also need to initial node to watch. This has to be... This one. And there we have to say initial state to watch. Wait, wrong. Editor debugger. State chart debugger, this one. Put it here. Just like this one, and we assign this one. Okay. Okay, it's working. We can change the food from grain to hay. But it also, for some reason, oh. Because we didn't set a condition. For example, that we say mountain. And here we have to say grass. When we start the scene again, it should just change it from 1. Okay, actually, I think it should be a bit more complex. For example, I could have grass nearby, I could have tree nearby, I could have stone nearby, I could have water nearby, and dirt pile. So we have 5 different things what could be nearby. So I want that, for example, is that the case? I have to check it in my game, otherwise I don't need to have a use case for this. So here, for example, here we have 2. A goat needs to be near high grass, so there has to be a grass and mountain nearby, like a stone. I mean, grass and stone has to be nearby. So there are 2 conditions which has to be true. So when I understand it right, this setup is not working for this. So this here has to have another parallel state. Yes, goat milk. Is it something weird? I mean, is it not a normal thing? Goat milk. I mean, I don't drink it, but I think it's a thing. You need to create a node each of function. How do you mean? Would it be smart to, or what does mean smart? I have to think, did this, I mean, this here has to be like this too, right? Then we have one for grass, one for mountain, one for this, one for this. That it has like 3 conditions, needs to be checked. But then I'm not sure if it makes sense to have this state machine. I mean, I would get the data with everything what is within this circle. So for example, here we have a stone, and for example, here we have grass. Only 50%. Yes, you need to create node for 3 conditions. This way, right? And here's node transition. No, this is wrong. Okay, actually, this is still, wait, a bit confusing for me. Now I need to check if this is true and this is true, or this is wrong. And what I could do is to have like grass mountain. But then I need to add more transitions to this one, but this is not what I want. So somehow I have to change this type. Like parallel state, and then we have grass. This one is grass, and this one is true and false. This way? Is that the way to go? Uh, this way? But if I have to add all of this, is there not a better way to do this? Initial state must be a direct child of this compound. Okay, finish chess. Wait, when you say it in this way, that means you lose. But still, I think you had a good game. Because do you want to play GeoGuessr today? Just 3 rounds. Okay, we can play 1 round. Because I was planning to play Storage Hunter again. Is that the right way to do so? Because this feels a bit scuffed for me. Is there another way to do that? Because right now this seems to be like, okay, I could do that with code easier. I use it wrong. Wait. Hmm. Right now I have to think if this is the right way to do. Because actually, I do not have to check that much things. Because actually I just have to check for the trap. Every 24 hours, I'll check which type of objects are in this area. So I'll just check for like has object. Okay, I'm ready. In a half hour, I'll play game. In a half an hour. And on the other hand, I have to check what is inside this inventory, bait inventory. So in the world, we just put this one. So we'll put it right here. And that this catch animal, yes, it will be called here once, but we want to call it many times because I want to know function process print this one, or we just not print, call this one. And here we say print, for example, person object check area dot get overlapping bodies, and get overlapping areas. We print it very fast, but at least it can scan everything. Enum catch active. Yes, with enums I was working, for example, in player. Here, I have an enum for the player. And I'll always change the state here. I think this is the simple version of a state machine. So a catch will be actually this is a thing what I need to think. I think the state machine I just wanted to use in the wrong way. So what type of do we need an enum here? Actually, maybe yes. So we say trap state, and we have active. Wait, we have idle, we have active. This is when a bait is inside, and then we have catch when there's already an animal inside. Can I set like if both inventory is empty? If bait inventory stores and bait. If animal inventory stores an animal. And then I have variable current state equals trap state dot idle. Sorry, there was a mosquito. Yes, kind of this way, right? Want to keep it clean, we'll do it this way. But does a state machine is not just important when you work many with the process, like with physics process? Because when you work outside of physics process, you kind of don't need it. Because you don't need to check for its state all the time. But most of the time I don't work with physics process. I only use it when I need to update something every second. But in this game, the most of the time I like, what does it mean? I think physics process I don't have anywhere. Okay, at least in the funfair games, but otherwise I don't use it. But when I have something like this one, for example, I need to check the current state once a day. Okay, let's try to make it work. So this one. This one got called once a day. So we say if current state is not trap state dot active, then we'll just return, because then nothing can happen. When it's idle, it does not have food inside, so there's no bait, nothing will happen. And when it's catch, there's already an animal inside, so nothing can happen. Set state, it has something that is called set state. Wait, can I say now? Oh, wait, yes, I need to write a function, right? So, like, when we want to change it to, we need a new state, and that we call trap state, void, and then we say current state equals new state. And whenever I want to change it somewhere, I have to do it here. So this is that. And we want to connect the signals. Yes, already know that. And connect the signals if I changed. But is connected. Changed with, for example, set state dot bind. Now we say new state in physics you need if current state equal. Yes, but my idea was that, you know, I don't want to check it continually. I don't want to check it every frame. My idea is it to check it just here. Because this one gets called like one time per day. And I want to check it just one time per day. One time per any in-game day. That means I have to check just here the current state. Because just in this moment I want to check if the current state is active. And if it's active, then it has like a 50-50 chance that we can catch something. And if that is the case, then we change the state to catch. And for the next day cycle, it will shake again. Oh, this one has catch, so nothing will happen, and we'll just return. Nothing will happen. That was the idea for this one. I don't want to shake it here all the time. But you need overlapping bodies, so you need physics. Almost. But this is something what I have an idea already. When I want to have overlapping bodies, I also want to check it just once. I mean, I need to check it just in this moment. But right now I'm thinking... I need to get print get overlapping get overlapping object. It's okay to use physics further as long as it's rules. Yes, I know. But the thing is, in my case, I just want to call it just once every 24 seconds. Right now, I will just, for debugging purpose, I'll call it every frame. Yes, actually, I would like to, let me think, if not, has overlapping bodies, void, return an array. New current objects array, which is empty at the beginning, and we will always return so in this case we say for object in we will just say current objects dot append I actually need to see they have an object type. That's great. Append object dot wait. And then this one. So when we have this one now, but trap state is not active. After if condition. Oh wait, I forgot to keep writing this one. And then we just set state. That state needs to have at least one. We can't connect it directly. Because right now we just need to figure out if there's an item inside or not. I mean, we need to emit it when to change the state, but we also need to send in signal over. We have to send something over. For example, inventory data and then say slot datas. I don't know why it's slot datas, but actually okay, this way. Base enemy is a class name of my enemy. I mean, I always use the most obvious way to give a class name to something. Except, for example, I have like plants. Wait, you can see here, for example, we have trees. This one. They inherits from plants, and plants inherits from placeable objects. So it's not always the most obvious, but it's very near to be the most obvious. So we have the slot data, but the thing is, here we want to say here we send over for normal the new state, but the problem is we send slot data over. The thing is we want to send this over if it's something, then we will change it to the new state, otherwise not. As a rule for anime. Yeah, that's great. So you don't have to write the same code for like walking or for like attack mode. like the states for every type of anime anymore. Just have to write it once. Don't use Signal. But I need to use Signal. Oh no, I don't need to use Signal. What I'm talking about. So the only thing what I have to do is if bait inventory data dot slot datas, then we just change set state to trap state dot active. Animal inventory dot slot datas 0. Then we say dot catch so now you have state machine knowledge. I'm not 100% sure about that yet, but maybe I got close. And I still have idle, but idle is when both are empty. So that means I need to have if yes, of course, because I don't have a return, I have to use elif. So this one, this is for set the state. But I think I could make it a bit easier. Okay, and after that, we check which state this machine area currently has. Okay, afterwards, when it's active, we want to do this. When it's catch, when it's not active, we just return. Otherwise, we want to do something, and we want to do actually this get overlapping objects. But actually, we just need to get overlapping objects. When it's active. Oh yeah, that's true. And for now, I will set it to active to check if it's working. Gross, where do you study coding? In internet? With this game, just set your condition inside your if statement condition. Actually, I don't study it anywhere. And before that, what you worked on. This is my first game ever. I don't have any coding knowledge beforehand. This is the first coding what I've ever done in my entire life. But coding directly, I've never studied. Just learned everything from this game, and that the best way to learn something is just by doing. Like, I was trying to follow some tutorials, but this don't bring me far, so I just end the tutorial streak and I just start to do my own project, and on up to this project and my questions and the problems I want to solve within this game, what I'm creating, I just was researching in Google, I was researching in the documentary, and I was asking people in the Godot group. And that's how I learned more and more and more and more things. So I got my knowledge from most likely other people when I find something on the internet. But I was facing a problem directly in Godot. But you studied something before Dev? Yes, I was studying graphic design. But it's called media design and print and digital media. Actually, we don't got until there. I want to know what is the current state here. Why you didn't continue? What do you mean continue is what? I mean, if you mean continue studying, I actually finished studying and I still work in this field. Where's this trap now? Here? Their current state is 1, but current state is active, but why we don't got anything printed? I'm still active in this career. Yes, so I still continue. Plants. Wait, catch animals. It's actually, wait, what is that? I think that was the problem. You work as media designer in your company? Yes, exactly. Okay, now, before the error was that this one was physics process, so this is not running without calling it somewhere. So I just have to delete this part. And now it's running every frame, but slot data on a base object of type nil is because these inventories are not existing yet. So I have to say inventory data dot view. All right. Out of bounds get index null on base. Okay, I mean the inventory slot data is also not existing yet. Because in inventory data, I think they have a size of null. And yes, this size is null. So maybe I just open the script. Inventory data. Should be this one. Nope. This one, and I think slot data's on the current state is 1 at the moment. But my problem is, wait, I'll just write the script. I think this will be the easiest. Trap. So this will be just temporarily inventory set. I write temporarily wrong, so I'll call it void, and we just say date inventory data dot slot data dot resize, like say 0 or 1, and this exact same thing we will do with animal inventory, and then we call this one before signal start, and then it should work. And when we are in the active state at the moment, we should print a lot of stuff here. But only when it's active. So let's do like you said, we will print current state. Actually for idle I just said active, that's why I was thinking like binary thing or what? Which are the uses of bitwise operators? Bitwise operator. The problem is, as I never studied GameDev. Okay, we are in state null. Okay, we are in state null. Computer, the bitwise operator, a bit string, a bit array, or binary numeral. It's individual bits. It is a fast and simple action basic to the higher level arithmetic operation. The bitwise NOT or bitwise complement is an unary operation that performs logical negotiation on each bit, forming it at once. Equal to the two. Actually, the thing is, I don't have theoretical knowledge of coding, so most of the time I can't tell anything what is specified. Like how to say. The field-specific words, I do not know them. So maybe I know what are bitwise operators, but I've never heard that word. Okay, so if it's not null, but it is null. If equals null and this one is null, then we say, because we changed it to idle before. Okay, it makes sense. Error, you need this if current state and if current. You can't say and. Wait, elif. Okay, elif. But here I mean, it won't work. When it's something else than active, it will just return. So this is actually fine because everything after this one, I just want to do when current state is only active. So I can add like 20 other states, but only when it's active, I want to do this. So actually it's working properly. So we can say, for example, here we want to print current state. Otherwise we will print this overlapping and we can just delete this one. And as we are in current state 0, we should just print it the same thing like before. Yes, okay, but when we just put something via code inside the inventory, inside bait inventory, and we say slot data 0 equals, and then we just say, for example, grain dot duplicate Oh, I shouldn't use the mouse wheel. Okay. Don't use the mouse wheel here. Just use it in game. Invalid access to predicate key object type on arrays object of type static body to the trap. Alright, because it checks for himself. If object is object, only then. Because an object of type object is always has a type object type. Geoguessr. Just a moment, I need to make it work, right? Priority, you know? Priority. Are you kidding me? If object is object, why it doesn't follow this if statement? Because a trap is not an object. A trap is only a trap and a placeable object, but not a plot object. Priority is this game always. Take your time. Object. What is wrong with this here? Why this if statement is not following the rule of object? I haven't coded like 3 days, so I'm reviewing my code. That's a very good idea. Return null. If I understand the concepts. If not object is object. I'm doing a 40 files. 40 files? And the good thing is, with my own definitions. Yes, of course, I always want to return an array because I want to get an array here. Each function goes, have you ever raged with code? I've never raged with anything. Raging is not helpful. Current object dot append object type. And the error is here that the object don't have an object type. But actually every object raging is helpful, bottling up anger is unhealthy. If you have anger, right? But if you don't have anger, you don't need to rage. Can you literally die from bottling up anger? I mean, that could be true. Okay, maybe I have to say it in a different way. I've never felt anger with coding or game. Raging is for calm people. And hello Leaf episode, welcome. I'm bad as fuck at doing jokes in English, or maybe I'm bad in understanding jokes in English. That could be also. It's like trying to stop a sneeze. Actually, this is a very big problem of me. I don't like to sneeze in public. So I always try to stop it, and I think it's very, very bad. And always in my mind is that there could be like a arteria in your brain can just explode from this. You can blow air out your nose and it will fix it. Wait, when I feel like I need to sneeze, I just have to blow out air out of my nose and I don't feel like I need to sneeze anymore. It could be, or it could be that you want to play GeoGuessr Grows. GeoGuessr. Wait, Danny, you want to read your code. You want to sneeze because you feel like there's a blockage subconsciously. Yeah, that's true. But I never try to just blow out like air manually out of my nose when I feel to sneeze. I will rage. Danny, you know that you can rage as much as you want. I won't even notice it here. You have the reason. So you get rid of the blockage. Current object. I just need to fix this one. I do not know what's wrong with this here. Object is actually self. Is it wrong to check if object... Wait, I need to check objects or object scene, I'm not sure. I want... Oh, the other one. This one, and here the script is... Spawning object, that's what I'm searching for. I think I only rage with competitive games, like team games, but online with other human teams. The way how I easily fix this problem, that I'm not mad at at the people. Wait, here's no object. Well, is to just, whenever I am loading, for example, a League of Legends game, the first thing I type into the chat is /all mute. So I don't have to deal with people. Because online chatting with other people, at least when you play competitive games, there's no useful reason to talk with your teammates. Because, I mean, there are a lot of useful reasons to talk with your teammates, but 99% of the things what the teammates would write in the all chat in a competitive game is just very useless. It's to just not play. That's also a good way to avoid it, and just play single player games. What is that? I've never got this error. But we have to go back to the menu anyway. Know what I mean? I don't talk with them. People that are so idiot in your team that you lost because your team, not because you have ability. Okay. Oh, okay. The thing is, that are areas, I think. These are areas. So we have to say areas. All right, start. Don't play. I love to code, but if code is not working, then sleep and see if I figure it out. Yes, this is actually very, very helpful. But sometimes I have the problem that I can't sleep because I'm solving a problem in my head. That's very bad. Oh wait, I didn't read the code before. Only reason I ever hop on now is to keep my muscle memory in case it becomes useful someday. Like your muscle memory to play this game, or to have like reactions in general. Probably a key object type on a base object of type area 2D spawning object. Wait, we should have an object type. Oh no, we don't have any more. Okay, maybe we'll do this one, and then we say dot item type or item name. I'm working on story in my game now. That's nice. Would you collab with me in a game jam in 1 or 2 months or not? Actually, I think this year, the only time when I will collab, or maybe will even join a game jam, will be after I release this game, because I think I need all the possible time for this game. I don't want to become a person who moves the controller to move the character. Okay, I understand this. Okay, we did it. We have small wooden box nearby. We have grass, small wooden box, and trash bag, which is great. This is all what I want to achieve today. There's only one problem. There's small wooden box nearby because this one got scanned. And small wooden box is this slot data because when we clean it up, it will be a small wooden box. It doesn't have much to do with this dirt pile, but I think it's still a possible way to just scan for it to get. But I still have to figure out what is this error. I've never saw this. What does it mean? Set frame, index p frame 54 is out of bounds. I feel like I never set any frame somewhere in this whole code. Scene 2D sprite 2D. But which And it's like twice in a second, right? It's like every 0.5 seconds. All right. So let's hop into GeoGuessr. I will open a lobby, and if anyone want to join, here's the code. Wait, I have to got my free coins. This is highest priority. Claim, party, and it will be everyone with this code can join. Average 3. Hello, what you doing? Random guy on the net. Right now I just go into GeoGuessr to play a bit of GeoGuessr, but beforehand I was creating a trap for catching animals in the farming RPG I'm creating. Actually, it's a good thing to play GeoGuessr. I need to train a bit. I'm very horrible at the moment. How long do you think it will take you to finish growth? That's a great question. This is something what I want to finish at least until the end of the year. But I mean, what does finish mean? Maybe a playable version. In June, I want to have a demo so that I can join the Steam Fair or Steam Fest. That the people can. What is the Steam Fest in June, so that I have a bit of like people can see this game. I think my avatar is beautiful. Is it you? I'm better than you. So you want to build up your wish list more? Yes, with the Steam Fest, I would like to build up the wish list. And afterwards, maybe a half year later, around about the November, I would like to have a have the game run. Like that I will publish it. And then there will be 1,000 of updates. Okay, settings, no move. I'm not like that in real life. I see no difference, I think. And we'll play the normal world map. I'm more like your avatar, but with brown hair. Ah, understandable. Wait, you have like curly hairs? Oh, I just start the round. But I think it's fine, right? I hope you're ready. They updated the map. Wait, what is that? Oh, okay, this is not like a duel. Can't wait, I'll try to be the first one to buy it. Let's see who will. But I can't see who is the first one. Okay, what did you guess? Germany, alright. But the nice Germany guess. Okay, we have okay, this one is a tricky one. Is the guy just named GameDev or is he actually the real Dani? No, this is really GameDev. I mean, no, it's just the guy who's mod. It's not GameDev with the million of followers on YouTube. You already okay, you already guessed. Okay, actually, my only guess on this one with this lookalike and the sun in the north would be maybe here. But I think it's wrong. Oh no, it is Sydney. Wow, 13 kilometer. Okay, what we have here, a wooden pole. This sign could be actually everything. We have a black car. Okay, we are in the northern hemisphere, but where are we? Uh, Everything doesn't make sense for me here. I go to here somewhere. Okay, it was Greek, but I didn't expect a black car on this one. Where do you go? Japan. Interesting. Okay, what we have next? We have a blue car. Actually, I already make a guess. I saw a black car. Oh no, a blue car, right? I would like to see the map afterwards, though, that I can just turning around and see what's going on. Otherwise, I have to wait. Brazil, not a bad guess, but it was Argentina. Final round. Actually, I do not like this mode that much. I have no clue. I just ever hear that. Okay, it's Wisconsin. I just saw this bollards with the diamond shaped orange thing. Finish game. Cheats. No cheats here. And actually, everyone could join this one for free. You don't even need to have this game. Everyone who just opened geogather.com can join it. I want to set it to another game mode. Wait, party? Okay. Allowing other players to join. Okay, that is what I was missing before. But where I changed the type. Hello, Oxelmar. Where the people can see the code now. I will do the ugliest one. Yeah, just wait a second. Ugliest avatar. This is the chill mode, so let's go for chill mode. And I'll just start the round now, right? So it's 3 people, it's fine. When someone wants to join later, it's also fine. Let's see what we have. Ah. Just go for somewhere here. Okay, it is South Africa, but no one got it. That's great. I didn't expect. I just thought the car would be blue there. No one got it, Danny. How that could be. Okay. I would go maybe. Okay, GG Oxima. Very nice guess here. Dani, that was a bit too far. Well, both of you are cheaters. Chatters. Yes, we are chatters. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, let's see who will get it. Actually, I'm very... It's meta, just watch the car. It's a hint. The car will give you all the information. Close. The reunion also has a very, very similar truck, but there the tape would be on the right bottom. Gross, you are cheating. No, I'm not. Okay, I would go somewhere here. Oh no, here. GG. Dani, where are you? India? Okay. Alright, what is this one? Okay. Probably I don't... Did I oversee something? Sans Prabhu, le Quaidus de la Marie-Église de Sainte-Tour-de-Halle should be maybe here. In France. Wait, I just thought you already guessed. Someone is still missing. Okay, it's very far in the east, but west, but everyone got the right country. GG. Okay, can I copy? So everyone can join. You didn't even need an account. Should we make more rounds, like 10 rounds? Or 5 rounds are okay? And are you okay with the amount of time? Right, it's chill, English. Okay, I'll put try hard this round. Okay, it's okay. All right. Fine, it's okay, great. I'll start the next round in like now. So let's see. Round 1. We have this one, this one. Okay, actually, I go for here because this is the only city name I was reading. All right. Dani close. There was yellow plate, which is a very good guess in the UK. But it was a truck, so they just moved to Germany from the Netherlands, probably. Okay, this one seems to be a bit harder. But this house. I was distracted? Okay. I'll go somewhere here. Actually, this is the best guess I can do. I have no clue. I mean, actually, I know. Gross, where you live now? I live here. This country. In Thailand. Donnie. The people waiting your guess. You still have 10 seconds if you are still there. Okay, it's the northern part of France. France. It's Jersey. Okay, I didn't expect this will be Jersey. Next game. Damn it. In Ukraine, you will have a red car. Eh? All of this doesn't make sense here. At least for me. But probably, I mean, go to Philippines in BJC. It's popular now because it's cheap living. Okay, it is Finland. Great guess of Oxima. I just saw the red car, that's why I just go there. Go to the BJC. What does BJC mean? Popular now because it's cheap living. I will see the live, and after that I will guess. No, Dani, that's not how it works. I guess as the last person. Yes, I mean, actually, Philippines is cheap to live, I think. But I'm... Okay, you both already guessed? It's very round script. Probably I will go to somewhere here. Okay, it's Bangladesh. I just thought it's a shitcam. I just thought it's a shitcam. Gross, you are so slow. Oh, really? Okay. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Bonifacio, Global City, Manila, Philippines. I mean, I know Manila, but I don't know Bonifacio. Congrats to Oxymar. GG. You can also join if you don't have an account here. You just need to click the link and you can join. I'm not sure if you need an account, but at least you can join this for free. What league you playing? Gold 2. Until Gold 1. Wait, maybe Gold 2. Played Deutsch? No, now we will play last round. Last round of this one. Actually, I'm not sure if I can. Last round. Let's see. Blue. Okay. Okay, let's go here. I'm not quite sure. It could be Portugal. Yes, it's Portugal. Dani, Brazil is also a very nice guess on this one because they have the same polls. So GG. It was a Portuguese. Dani, please. I hope you'll do this one. This you should got. I believe in you. Good job, Dani. I go to BGC, it's popular for them and it costs less to live. It's like living in first-class country where Philippines is a third-class country. So it's actually similar to... I mean, I wouldn't class any country. I don't travel too much, so... Yeah, but you got it. But I know what you mean. But I think where I live right now, the living is also very reasonable. Okay, with this all over look like, I would probably go somewhere here. I don't travel too, but you just learn some things in this game. Yes! Okay, it's the Isle of Man. GG. Round 4. Okay, this one I have no clue where to go. Oh, I have a clue. I have a really... I hope it's right, but there are also other big cities in this country. Here for Dani. See where I am. Oh wait, so I was in the right city. It was Manila. And the final round. Ah. This country is actually a bit hard to guess the right region, at least for me. Okay, GG. Wait. Finish game. Cheetah. No GG's for Cheetah. That's not the way how to lose a game. Even if you lose a game, you write GG. Because it's always a good game. Every game you learn something new. So actually that was the last round. I will just change over to play... Wait, I just need to disband party. Continue. And I will just go to Storage Hunter. Gross, what you will do after the stream? Going to sleep. Actually, I can just play one round, one day maybe in this. So let's play Storage Hunter Simulator. I'm not sure where we end the stream, end the game last time because it's already 2 days ago. So continue and let's see what we got. You can present it doesn't interest you. Welcome, Blueberry. My dear friend, let's play Storage Sim. Let's go. So as a very popular and very... maybe the best businessman in this world, we sleep in a pipe. And nothing... a day can't start better with a nice auction. So let's see what we have here. We have It starts on 10 a.m. It's a bit late, so we'll start with the cheap ones. Yeah, I'm not sure if we still should spend our money on cheap auctions. Okay, $500 on this one. Why?
Yep. Come on!
$180 and the bid is $10. He was ugly and useful, but it was our truck. Oh, you didn't was here when I changed the truck? You should see how fast this truck can drive.
Yep.
It's incredible. I already sold the old one. There's no way back. Okay, I buy that crap. But see what I can do with this truck. Okay, it's not working. So let's see. $240. A kitchen module. Great, $22 for this size. I'm dying. Oh, fallen depression. Oh no, 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 no. I just got back this old car. We got the Android head. Wait, we make a lot of money actually. We just doubled the money. And we don't give it to the next person. Silver medal verification. Verified 1000 items. Slave cage. Wait, is it really? It's an iron cage. It's not a slave cage. Instant cell, and a gum ball. No, exercise ball. Okay, let's see. We'll just bring all this big stuff. So we don't need to mess around with this later. We just bring this one, this one, this one. Okay, let me use this. Okay, alright, we'll just bring these 3 things first and then we'll bring the everything else. So that we don't have to spend 2 or 3 hours to just loading the truck. I just thought I was banned. Probably sometimes you should be a bit careful. Is that what you say? Say chat disconnected. Yeah, maybe you was banned. You never know. Okay, let's get the rest of this. You see how fast I am? Did you see that? I think even a Ferrari can't beat this car. Can I say that? You can't say anything here what is related to any things of this world. I think then you even get a ban from just by default from YouTube. Wait, we didn't even check the price yet and we already got rich on this one. $6. And then this beautiful lamp. Spotlight. Sometimes the physics is... Did I ever mention that sometimes the physics is bad? You're my nice friend. Even this is a bit critical to write it in this way. I think so, yes. Okay, we stored everything. Let's check how much money we have, but we should be the most... We are the richest. Okay, why we have this crap here? $10, $5? Can you put just worse see stuff? $30. Yes, she bought a pogo stick. Great. So we have another $270 and we'll just make money. What you gonna buy? Wait, this is just $24 and you want to haggle? Okay, if you want to haggle with me, you have to pay more, you know? See, before you have to pay just $30, but now you have to pay 33. You messed with the wrong people. We will go to blind auctions. So we'll just go up to here to got very valuable stuff. I don't see any problems with the physics, they are realistic. Yes, and you see my... oh no, you can't. But right now it says that I'm driving 160 I'll test brake this guy. Oh. If this was Lantern Sim, your job would be police sim. Wait. Latam Sim? What is Latam Sim? Actually, do you know what would be a very nice game? A game where every simulator are like just one game. Like you play just one game and it's an online game and you can do the job whatever you want. That would be a very great game. You can walk on the water. But do you see how fast this beautiful car is? GTA 5 roleplay. Yes, probably this is the game what is the most nearest to this one. Wait, I didn't try to just... Actually, the curves of this one is very bad. Driving curves with this car is very horrible. Yeah, that is the problem. I don't remember what I said 10 seconds before. What is the problem? Beautiful and fast. Ah, okay, I understand. Yes, this is the problem of this car. It's beautiful and it's fast. Household will just run away from this scrap. We don't need pants anymore. We just need to make money. Good luck with the scrap. We'll bet on the rich people stuff. Sport is also very crappy. The other car was ugly and slow. Yes, and this is, I think, it's better matching with this guy, right? With the nudie plumber's shirt. Okay, let's see what we can got here. Okay, sport is very crappy. Is there an auction which is nice? Okay, we'll just go here, I guess. I think that's the only place where we can make money now. It's in 3 hours in the other city. Gross, remember not be monotone. In your voice, just try. Okay, we parked like a pro. Okay, we have to go back to the other city. Actually, the way up to the blind auction was just a big waste of time. This is so very annoying that this big truck can't just drive on this side. Okay, actually, even this car is faster. I like to drive with the other one more because this one is very bad in driving cars. The other was really easy to drive. I never hit anything, and I always just drive perfect with the other car, but with this one I drive against. I hit every possible thing. I mean, it's nice and stuff, but I didn't thought you can drive here. Okay, so you can't drive on the water. They should have an achievement for that, like nice try or something. Jump to the water, it's not working, they have a collision shade there. So we can't do anything there, and we just have 2 hours to reach, drive 500 meter with a car which can just drive 180. So we have to be very fast here on this one. I forgot where the handbrake was. This doesn't make sense. Okay, we earn money and we are already level 43. That was cool or not? I mean, look at this. Okay, we go directly up to like $7,000 on this one. If we lose money, we just want to show that we have money. That is Vandalism Simulator. Rainbow. 2,400. But sometimes the graphics are a bit buggy when it's in front of a storage. What do you think how much we should bid here? 3,000, 4,000, 5,000? I think we should go up to 5,000. This can be the big... We can do a lot of money with this one. The order should just stop the bid. I want to have it.
Okay.
Stop bidding. 5,000. I feel like there are still too many people here. I think I have to go up to 5,000. But it's very fine. 5,000 is fine. Okay, it's very close.
Come on.
Maybe we have to go up to 6,000. Maybe 5,200. Stop that.
Okay.
What is her highest bid? It seems to be very high.
Okay.
I don't see anything. Stop that, I need it. She did not stop.
Okay.
I want to know what did she see there. I mean, we are already on 6,160. I hope that was her last bid. I think you broke the game.
Yeah.
I'm not sure on this one. Should I got this?
I can love marrying the great guy.
We just bought it for $6,400. This does not look like a winner phase. Okay, there's a legendary, there's a katana. One legendary. This is a phase that I don't want to see. Okay, so I'll show it somewhere. I'll display it on the stream. Okay, we lose a lot of money, I think. Great. Wonderful. A bag which has a value of $10. Nice. A medallion. Another medallion. An all figurine. A painting. A rare chest. So I hope you have stuff inside. A silver bangle. Another silver bangle. A rangefinder. A long sword. Wow. Actually, that's a cool item. A piggy bank. Wait, can I do something? That would be a very nice thing they could add. That are missed opportunities, yeah. I think I did not lose any money, but I also don't make money. Actually, I make money because the katana, I remember the katana was at least like 1,500. Wait, did I scan this one yet? Nope. Wow. Okay, actually we make at least like $2,000. I think I have to drive twice anyway. So we'll just drive now. Wait. I think I do a big mistake from the auction before. Well, I just sold a chest which still has items inside. Good luck with this found. Wait, where's the lantern? Out. Okay, no items around. Afterward, we'll check how much money we just do. We have to bring the katana to the weapon guy. It was very nice. So let's see. We scanned this one yet? Yes. This is the crap you can get from household. Just like this. Very big. Hard to store. And the value is just like $20. I just should not forget the katana. I think I'll disconnect now, Gross. Alright. But thanks for joining. Have a nice day. Thank you very much. hopefully see you tomorrow again. Oh, and stop cheating. I never do. You know that. Alright. Sword. A very, very long sword. And a katana. Wait, did we have everything? Yes, we have everything. Oh wait, there's something. Alright, we actually make money with this one. We'll just bring the most of the stuff back. The other sword we'll just bring to the guy behind our shop to check it. And he'll tell us how much we made. This katana. Just start, and let's see, most of that we... Oh, this one. Almost forgot to check the price of a saucepan cap. It's like I don't want to earn money. So, let's check this katana. I ever bring one. And tell me how much. Well, oh, this will be probably the next day in the morning. He will open on 8, so it should be fine. So now we'll just check how much money we made over the day. Wait, you just come and don't buy anything. I'll not let you out. You have to turn around and buy something. Can you stop selling the crap here? No one want to buy that. Did you see that? 2 people already just run away from this crap. 3 people. This box, no one need these boxes. Can you stop selling them? $2 is way better. Okay, we just need to rearrange this stuff here. Seems like it's buggy. This item here in the middle looks buggy. How I can do it, because I feel like I can't do anything. I think I can't do anything with this bug. So what this one wants to buy? Actually, did they just patch it? I feel like before everyone was buying something. Now I feel like no one is buying anything. And they're like buggy items. I can't click them. Okay, she was buying something. Okay, actually we have $8,000. And with the auction we just make in the late evening, we should make around all together around about 6,000, maybe 7,000 or $8,000. So we just have $15,000 now. And the next item we have to got is something where we have to pay like 25,000, and we have to choose between. They just spawn? I just thought I didn't. I mean, I didn't saw them before. It's woods, and we want to got a verification tool or the fixing tool. But I think the fixing tool is way better because we make much more money to make every item to be perfect. So I think the fixing tool is the way to go on the next. So we just have to go for legendaries to bring them to check at the experts. But for today that was it. So we will just keep playing tomorrow, and also tomorrow we'll do game dev. I will keep working on the trap I just started to create today. I say thanks to everyone who was watching. Thank you very much. If you want to support me and my game I'm currently creating, you can just do it by wishlisting it on Steam. It's already there to be wishlisted. It will help me a lot and it will help the game a lot. I wish everyone to have a great night, evening, or whatever time it is where you are right now, and take care everyone.